Yes. Good morning guys. Good morning Kabalay. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, no? So, guys, pasensya na, hindi nakapag-vlog ng medyo walang ilang araw. I didn't make a vlog for how many days? So, because it's too cold outside and too busy. Yun nga po guys, no? Plano natin, our plan today is we're going to my friend on the basketball league which I'm playing before, and then it's gonna be the birthday of Zion. Yan. So my birthday ngayon ni Zion. As you can remember guys, yun yung masasabi ko na nag-iisang babae na pinsan ni Paul na nandito. Yan. So remember adding Zion. Yeah. So happy birthday Zion. So wishing you had a good health, and then take care of yourself. And one thing more, you should be good. Wishing you also to be a good girl for your mom and dad. Yeah. And also with your cousin, with your friends, and so many things with your friends around you. So yun guys, no? So yun, punta tayo ng basketball. Going to basketball, and then after that I'm gonna pick up my wife, my son. We're going to adding Zion's house. So guys, just keep on my son. Dyan lang kayo. Kita-kits tayo mamaya. Okay. Yun, dito na tayo guys, no? So far, okay naman yung biyahe. Kaya lang, mapapansin nyo dun sa video, medyo ang daming ice, ang daming snow. Yeah, kumapal na naman. Then, one thing more, dun sa daan, mapapansin nyo, no? May mga nagsishabo. At saka, may nakita kayo na parang nagbiblink. Yun yung parang sensor speed tracking. Yeah. Kaya kung medyo mabilis ka, dapat may certain speed dun sa daan. Yeah, kung mabilis ka, pwede kang ma-smile, picturean. Yeah, matikitang ka. Yun na mahirap guys. So, yung guys, kita tayo sa loob. Ganong mga eksena doon. Dito sa Basketball, masaya, ganda. Nagkaroon pa ng isang overtime. Yeah. So ang nag-champion, yung dating champion last season. So congrats mga guys. Congrats sa inyo, na? Yeah, good. So kita-kits tayo sa next season. So guys, dito na yung dalawa. May kasama pala, no? Say hi.
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 You guys want to see my sweater? It's so nice.
So where are we going?
Adding Sign's birthday.
Yeah. So, yun.
Come on, I need help.
Kita-kits tayo.
See you later.
See you later. So, yun guys, no? Dito na tayo sa sa party nila. As usual, napag-iwanan tayo. Nauna na yung mga bata. Okay? So, ito yung guys, oh. Guys, ito yung handa ni Simon. Yun. Meron tayong turon. Meron tayong shrimp. Ito pa. Yes. Again. You go there. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Okay, hold on. Let's cut the first. There's another crowd. No, do that. I'm gonna be careful. I just want. Even take out this thing now.
Guys, yun yung kaganapan dito.
Wow. Use the spoon.
What? Aba? Auntie Kujinda! Say thank you, ah.
Yan, natapon na tayo guys dun sa birthday party ni Zion, no? So, pauwi na lahat. Kanya-kanyang biyahe natin maya maya. Yeah. Walay-walay. Yeah. So, kita-kits tayo sa bahay. Okay. See you guys, no? Naantay ko lang yung magina ko tapos si Liam. Hindi nakapunta si Jane dahil may lagnat ata si Joaquin. Yeah. So, see you guys.
Your mom's coming to pick you up.
So yun guys, no? Dito na kami, hatid namin si Liam. So Liam, thank you for being with us, okay?
Yeah.
And the next time again, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna be here the next Sunday.
Oh yeah, guys. Yeah. So thank you.
Alex's birthday, it was so fun.
Oh yeah.
That was so
Yeah. So inaantay lang namin yung mama niya.
here.
So, yeah.
So, bye guys. I will see
Ito
you
daw
next
yun.
time.
Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. And see you the next time with Kuya Liam.
So, see you next time
Yeah.
after Friday.
Yes guys. Yeah. So, yun guys. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa amin. At mula sa adventure na mula dun sa larong basketball hanggang sa birthday ni Ading Zion, no? Saka yun guys, no, sinamahan nila si Liam. So ito po, may dala po kaming aquarium ulit guys. Wala na kasi tinapon na namin yung aquarium. May binigyan na aquarium si Porchet sa Casimog. Thank you po pala kay Porchet sa Casimog. Ading Zion, happy birthday again, okay? So yun guys, tingnan natin kung kailan tatagal, ilang araw tatagal tong isda na to. So yun guys, no? Thank you for being with us from the basketball a while ago, and then the birthday of Zion, which is the friend, the cousin of my son and Liam. Yeah. So dito kami, we just dropping Liam to their house. Liam is the son of Dante and Jane. So thank you po, and sana wag po kayong magsawa sa pagsubaybay po sa amin. And then yun, thank you so much. And then sa mga dumalo, to those people who been with us on Zion's birthday, thank you so much. So yun, hanggang doon na lang guys, no? Thank you so much, and ingat po lagi. God bless po. Thank you.